Hi guys, today just wanted to show you Alfie again, so we're going to do like daily vlogs with him over this weekend. So Sunday today, tomorrow I'll probably do one after school, and I can show you guys my puppy every day. So Alfie! Got you, baby. He had his first night yesterday, and he was whining, and he does recognise his name now. Oh, he's very cute. Look how cute is that? Bonk. Don't lick it. Ooh, he's licking the tablet.
This air-based museum, run by volunteers, mostly retired.
Do that after. But no, actually, I'll do that now. Wipe you guys. Oh. Ow! I was crushing just a while ago.
So, number 2 squadron was established here. We'll manoeuvres in an effort to find out what could be done with aircraft. They actually flew Ireland in their civilian aircraft across the Irish Sea.
Oh, he's got one of my cereals stuck to him. Alfie! Stop. Where's your foot? I want to get it out. You don't want to talk about the stuck to your foot, okay? Okay, God, gross, that's disgusting. Oh, right in that bin, no. He didn't like playing with balls. Alfie, bed. Go on. That's so cute. How can you resist this little phone?
Montrose Air Base became hugely important for pilot training, and as more young pilots
Look at his face. He's on me.
And in this hangar is something remarkable. They don't doubt that you recognize. Goodness me, boys. This is quite a creation. How are you? Nice to see you. I can't quite believe that you created all of this from scratch. It's just absolutely beautiful to look at.
Beautiful. Beautiful, baby. Okay. Mister. You gonna get off now? Yeah, gonna get off? Yes? Yeah. Okay,
Well, since you're here, would you like to react?
Alfie, look at the camera. Say cheese. Sorry, I was just distracted. Alf, get off.
I've heard you about 20 times shout his name.
He says that I'm not allowed to touch him because he needs to get used to being at home on his own, but right, so guys. guys, we're gonna camp him here. You're gonna see him come over the boat. Everyone else suck.
It's primarily a shooting estate, but I've come here for a different reason.
Just like the basin, this too is a haven for wildlife. The animals within the mark are very different from their coastal cousins.
I've spent my career documenting
Right, here's
wildlife
the sun. So, hope you enjoyed my video, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Maybe even